Atongoi asakwe ni makula mathukume na we mate kwiyendamo ne kwanisa mawatho ala maathanie kwi mwenendi uwanenwa ni mwambililia wekundi mwenyete ya serikali ya Dr. Vincent Munyoki ulawa sakana utongoi wenda kwiyumya umelu na mitumba ilu katikati wa atongoi ni wale sakana kwa makwanisa mavata maenende no kutumia Kenya matwaisi ya maundu matema seo ainene achathi ni kimweta unini wake tui Dr. Munyoki ni wathingilila kana atongoi amwe ni maekanite na mawatho mo ala maathana evindani ya kampeini na kutia enendi mewa meavathule Onesimus Chalo ni watumbanisia mauvo
Atongoi nyivene makula kuthukoma kwa umelu mate kwiyendamo ene ukulione kuma kula kwi Dr. Vincent Munyoki wekundi ya Vincent Munyoki Foundation wala kweta otongoi ni kwiyume na kuthukoma kwa uwa wala weta kangi atongoi nyuvene maemeto ni kwihanise mawatho mo kwi enembi.
Organ and tissue trafficking is illegal in Kenya. In Kenya we are not allowed to sell the organs. It is very disappointing to see young people are selling their organs for money. They are risking to go to a surgery for money. It is so discouraging, and you can see if someone is willing to die so that he can get a few million thousands, a few thousands, it is so worrying. And that is because our leaders and the policies are failed. We need to be implementing good policies which can create job employment to our young people so that they can desist from the illegal and trafficking of organs.
Munyoki weta kindi ni wachathi kimwikila chatova musini wa kitiwa lo kweta kana maatete ne matie mawatho mo ala mathi ya Kenya bindani yonyuvani movetu. Motongo yu iweta wonzu sukati wa tongo no tumitwa Kenya ainge palika biasala ne itenze otothosi wa mamutha mamwe na ndawa cia kumila ne kana kwiyukilia no kana kukwato kwati wa kwiyukilia ayenda tongo ikuthukuma kwa uwo.
There is a call to our leaders. Let us be ample. Let us remember that Kenya has food and has resources for everyone, but the greed in our leaders is what makes us the limited and the scarce resources to be misused. If we could have leaders who can emulate how Pope lives, how Pope interacted, how Pope led, we could have a better Kenya.
Kino wakule atongo imahate makinya mapo Francis na kuyanwene misala yona kuekana na etomom.
Emulate how Pope lived, emulate how Pope interacted with fellow Christians, emulate how Pope could even go to give out to final blessings on last Sunday. Yet he was very, very sick despite every doctor's instructions not to give out those blessings and not to interact with the people. The Pope was seen to be very, very humble. Let us be humble as leaders. Let us see and learn from the Christian and our beloved Pope.
Tilivota bilingwa movo Mutongoi TV, Onesimus Chalo.